this is a $100 pair of Yeezys that I got for 50% off on Adidas' website. And this is a $20 package from Amazon that's going to double the price of these, I hope. And this is my free slave for the day. This is what we're going to be working on.
So do you actually want to double the price?
Yes, that is the goal. This is the Geode colorway. Not a big fan of this purple, so we're going to be dyeing them black. Damn, bro, you bringing this? They didn't pay to be in this damn video. That's what's in the Yeezy box. And then what's in the Amazon box is a bottle of RIT dye and some extra laces, which we're going to have to swap out. Because the ones that are on here, not the biggest fan. These things, they kind of choke it up.
Can I cut them?
You can cut them, bud.
Woo!
Oh yeah. If this is something that you are also interested in doing, this is literally it. Grab your pair of shoes from Adidas' website for 50% off. Bottle of RIT dye, you get some extra laces, and then we'll take you through the process.
So what are the shoes 50% off right now?
We got the compacts, 380s, 450s. Those could be pretty cool if you did did some crazy color on them. We get a bucket each because I don't have one that is big enough.
To be fair, this is like feeling this, I'd buy them off you. If it goes horribly wrong, but they are still like black, I'd buy them off you.
So you'll double my money.
I'm not gonna buy them double the price.
Hey, you already said you'll buy them for retail price.
I buy them for 75% and then flip them for 100%.
First thing we need to do before we start the process, take out the sole.
Man, I can't stop feeling that upper. So nice.
Yeah, it's very cushy, hey? So we need to get these wet first. Get them, rinse off any kind of factory coating. I have never dyed shoes before, so this could go very, very wrong. Gloves on. All right, I'm gonna start filling this bad boy up with some boiling hot water. Look at us cooking in the kitchen.
Now we are going to play the spoons.
Hot water. Hot. So this is the issue, right? Because we've obviously got 2 buckets, this kind of has to be equal.
Measure it out, bud.
Measure it out? Just throw it in there?
Nah, just throw it in there. What you mean?
A teaspoon. Woo! Maybe give that a stir, some dish soap, just to let the dye really work its magic. Yo, bud, look at us whipping in the kitchen, hey?
Damn, I feel like
Who would have thought?
Cooking that yayo.
Wow, okay, so let's get a little bit in here.
Damn.
It's like venom. Like squidding. You use 1 bottle of this bad boy. You ready to submerge? So what you're gonna do is put it in sideways so that the water can get inside.
Oh, you're going upside down?
Nah, because it's gonna make bubbles.
The water's really fucking hot. I don't know if this is gonna work.
It's been in here a minute, okay? Give it a chance. In case you have any doubts, just use another one. Now, we could be, overkill, but I want these things to be pitch black, and it's looking a little bit brown, so let's really get that in there. Let's find something heavy to put on top of it. All right, so it's been about 35 minutes. We're gonna give it a little test.
Ooh. I mean, it looks gray at this point. Will it ever be black?
Yo, why is the boost blue? Nah, this is going black. Put it back in.
Why did you leave it overnight?
We're gonna add a little bit more hot water.
We're getting desperate now, adding vinegar.
So apparently, on the back of here, on the RIT bottle, it says for nylon, use vinegar. Now, the only vinegar we have in the house is malt vinegar. But it didn't specify, so...
I could just drink vinegar.
You want to take a shot?
Yeah? What?
You want to... Okay.
You sprayed it all over my mouth.
I thought it just goes straight in and then vinegared up. It's hot watered up. If this doesn't work,
I don't know what will.
It's been a full over 24 hours that it's been left in there. So hopefully this is it. Ain't no way.
Man, it looks even more purple. Yeah, it literally just looks like a darker purple now.
Why didn't that work? It stinks like vinegar. Well, that really did not fucking work. I don't think the color has changed at all. All right, well, this is it. Rinse. Parts that have been dyed is the midsole. Those bits used to be shiny.
Oh yeah. Damn, the boost.
The boost is black. Back to the drawing board. Well, I'll get these things dried up, wash them off, and then I'll show you the result, and we'll try and figure out another process to double our money. So it's a little bit confusing. We did a bit of a jump. So basically...
Oh yeah, let me tell you guys what's happening. So Elliot miserably and epically failed the first time. I was right, he was wrong. Now he's come back and he's like, let's try again.
Okay, it is a bit of a failure. You haven't seen the end result though. It's probably worse than you thought. So in this box is the dried out, they've been through the washing machine after we dyed them. Open it up and see what you think.
Are they lighter? Like for real? Why is that orange now? Yo, look at that.
It might be the vinegar, I don't know.
That is and it's like deformed them as well. So far, do not try this at home.
Okay, but I'm telling you, at the end of today, you're gonna look at them and you're gonna pony up some money and you're gonna pay me double, okay? Okay, so it's a pretty simple mistake, right? Anybody could have made that. Basically, Rit does 2 dyes. I didn't know. I didn't even know the other one. The other one was all-purpose, so I thought, okay, this is a purpose. It fits in all.
Yeah.
This one apparently is specifically for synthetic material like this. And I went on Adidas's website and found out that this is not nylon, it's polyester. So now this is supposed to do the job over the stove top. What we're gonna do, very similar, a little bit of a different but similar process. So at this current condition, what would you pay me?
I would almost ask you to pay me to take them off your hands.
This was the biggest pot that I could find. It only does 1 shoe at a time. We're just gonna drop this bad boy in there.
You gotta do it like toe first.
Yeah, but the air needs to get out.
Yeah, exactly. That's why if you put the toe first, the air is gonna be up the top so it can actually release.
Damn, you know physics, eh? Telling you, dog, it's been a bit of a process, but I'm gonna get you a nice pair of shoes, okay?
Alright.
Ain't gotta worry about it. Pretty much, you set it and forget it. You let it roll for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, I haven't even looked yet, but it's been 30 minutes. Give it a little test. Look at that, bro.
Whoa.
Shit, the midsole's getting dyed.
Wait, so that's black.
We're gonna leave it in a little bit longer, just so that the midsole dyes a little bit. I'm gonna clean them off, make sure that they all look brand new, and then I'm gonna come get that money from you, okay?
Put it in the box.
I'll put it in the
lace
box.
them out, make them smell good too. I don't want no vinegar on them.
And then you can value them and see if I double my money, okay?
Alright, deal.
Alright. We got them in. This is the final product. So you can put your little bummy ass in the seat. And let me show you what we got. Dylan has not seen what they look like now. So I've rinsed them off, I've dried them out. This is the final product, dog. So I want you to take a look at them, try them on, evaluate, and see how much you gonna buy them off me for.
And I am a man of my word. We did shake on it. This
go.
is just in preparation
brought
for if these are everything you said they could be. Here's double your money.
Can I hold on?
Yeah, you don't know. I'm gonna do a sniff test because you did have vinegar in these. Nice. Okay, no whiffs of vinegar. Woo!
Not bad.
Okay. Damn. Okay, so let me just immediately say, first thoughts is color's actually nice. I might even prefer this to black.
It's kind of, it's a distressed
That's what I was gonna
Balenciaga look,
say,
you know?
You could go stressed Balenciaga excuse.
It does have new laces. Maybe we just get a little close up for the camera. Get a good look at these things. Little 360.
Damn, these are real comfy.
They're soft, hey? Yeah.
I mean, these could be easily turned into a daily beater.
Yeah?
And I would wear these like to the gym. I'd wear these if I'm just heading off to the supermarket to pick up a few things. Like, these would be the ones that you leave by the door. And you're like, oh, let's just chuck these on.
Yeah.
And then you just happen to be wearing Yeezys.
This is a triple black colorway.
It's very different. So if we were trying to achieve that, we certainly didn't achieve that. But we achieved a colorway that's never existed before.
And I think it might be kind of cooler.
So
I don't know if I want to sell them now.
that is definitely made it softer. Alright, well, do I get a discount for the kind of distressing?
Okay, I will definitely say, because of the mistakes we made, I didn't get them exactly perfect.
So you paid 100 and you wanted to double your money. I will give you 160.
Damn! Yeah?
Because I was not expecting that. Actually, no.
I'll take it, bro.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna drive a hard bargain.
Me, boys, I made it. That is a fire deal.
Fake Monopoly money.
I will say it is risky. There are some mistakes on here. But if you were okay with taking that risk, and that risk isn't so bad when it is just 50% off of Adidas. Honestly, I'm glad I did this because I would rather wear these than the purple ones any day. But yeah, there you have it. Check out another video over there.